Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. I hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. We were outside of Walmart to do some rebate shopping. I want to finish my shooting star bonus on Ibotta, which was 24 offers for $7. I only need 10 more to complete that today. And luckily my weekend warrior is also 10 offers for $1. So getting $8 back today. I'm splurging just a little, getting some things that we need or things that I really want. I think we're using pretty much all the rebate apps today. Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, Swagbucks, Shopkicks, Brandclub, Checkout 51. And so literally all of them today. So if you are new to any of them, I will have them linked down in my description box. You guys can go ahead and sign up for my referral codes and you'll get a little kickback for using those codes. I'm hoping I can edit this lighting because the lighting is really sucky right now. So yeah, oh, and then we're doing a little rebate with some Cheez-It Snapped. I'm sure you guys have heard about that. We'll go more into that later on in the video, but I'm super excited for today's haul. So if you just found my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here to shop with me today and do some rebate shopping, getting some groceries we need, some things I really want around the house. Please be sure to consider subscribing if you are new and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Oh, a couple updates. So last week when I did my Brandclub deals, it took forever. It was like when I uploaded my receipt to my Walmart account and synced it to Brandclub, it was acting like I never, made a purchase or uploaded a receipt. It took days to like comprehend it. And then it took days to complete surveys. I'd get like halfway through a survey for the rebates that for the products I was purchasing that I said I'd submit for a survey, and it just kept kicking me out. I don't know what the heck was up with Brandclub last week, so I went ahead and did my Brandclub surveys this morning before shopping to see if that would make it a little bit better. Then I can upload my receipt, and then those surveys will already be done, and they should credit me once it processes within like 5 days. And it seems to be working now, but last week it was just trippy. I don't know what Brandclub was up to last week. Another thing, I did the Old Spice bundle, and there was another bundle I did last week, and I can't remember what it was, but there was 2 bundles I did last week. If you have not seen that Walmart haul, go check it out. Shopkicks denied instantly. So I emailed them and said, hey, I bought this bundle and this bundle. I'm owed about this much in Kicks money. Can you help a girl out? And luckily they responded within 2 days and gave me the Kicks. But I figured, I didn't know. I heard some issues with the Old Spice little trial size body wash was not registering on the receipt. But it denied both bundles, and one bundle was not even Old Spice. I can't remember what it was. But anywho, those are the updates. I got all my money back from Brandclub and Shopkicks last week. It was just a hassle trying to get it from those rebate apps. So we're going to go ahead and get into the store, talk about some deals, and then we'll come back to the car and talk about how everything... So the first deal I'm looking at is definitely not a great deal by any means, but since we're getting $8 back in bonuses today, I figured I'd splurge because it's something I really want and need on these Downy scent beads, the 26.5 ounce. They are $15.94. We have a $3 coupon we can use from the June P&G insert, leaving you to pay $12.94 at the register, but earning $3 back from Ibotta, making it $9.94. Next, I'm stocking up again on some more Clorox Scentiva, so I'm going to grab the coconut scent. This is the spray bottle at $3.98. We do have 50-cent printable coupons on the Clorox website if you sign up. However, I forgot to print and bring any with me, so I'll pay $3.98 at the register, but I'll earn back $1.25 on Ibotta and submit to Swagbucks for 150 Swagbucks, which is the equivalent of $1.50, leaving the final cost at $1.23. And that Swagbucks offer is a limit of 1 per household. We have some Clorox toilet bowl cleaner priced at $2.28. Again, you can look on the Clorox website if you are signed up and go ahead and print a coupon for this probably. Like I said, I forgot to bring any, so I'll pay $2.28 to register and no Ibotta rebate, but we will submit to Swagbucks for again 150 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $1.50, which would make it just 78 cents. We don't stock up on this product too much, so I'm definitely adding it to the haul. Moving on to some groceries, I'm going to run this Velveeta Deluxe deal again. So I'm grabbing one of those deluxe boxes and one of the regular original Velveetas. They are $3.43 each, which both boxes will total me $6.86. I have a $1.50 off a 2 coupon from the 612 Smart Source insert, leaving me to pay $5.36 at the register. I'll submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each of them. They are separate rebates, so it knocks out your bonuses a little bit quicker. Checkout 51 has a $1.50 back when you buy 2. That did reset, and that is a limit of 1 per household. And then I did a Brandclub survey, earning $2.25 back when I purchased my next Velveeta product, making the final cost 61 cents for both boxes. Amazing stock up price. Next, I'm going to grab one of these Hellmann's Drizzles. They were stocking over where they were on the shelf, so this is $3.47. We have a $1 coupon in the June Unilever insert that comes out this Sunday. However, I get my inserts early, so if you're interested in ordering inserts, I have a link down in my description box of where I get them from. So I'll pay $2.47 at the register, submit to Ibotta for $1 back, and on Fetch Rewards, I have an offer for 1,200 points back, which is the equivalent of $1.20, making it just 27 cents. So we have these Knorr Bouillon cubes. Please don't come at me for how I pronounce it. They are 98 cents each. I'm going to go ahead and grab 5 of them because Fetch Rewards has an offer for 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $1 back on each one you buy, a limit of 5. So grabbing 5 of these would make it a 10-cent moneymaker for me, and we use these all the time anyways, so I'm definitely grabbing them. Just again, don't come at me for how I pronounce it. I'm not very good at it. Watching my girl sister Saving You Cents earlier this week, and they went ahead and shared that this Cheez-It Snapped rebate is back. I vividly remember this last year, so I'm super excited it's back. So with the Cheez-It Snapped rebate, you want to purchase any one Cheez-It Snap product, a bread, and a cheese or lunch meat. You just have to make sure you buy the Cheez-It Snapped and bread for sure, and then it's your choice of cheese or lunch meat. As you can tell, it's pretty much a whole lunch that they're offering, and they're offering up to $5 back. I believe last year it was through PayPal they sent me my money. So anywho, we're going to go ahead and start doing that rebate. I'm going to grab one of these Great Value loaf breads. They were tagged at 93 cents, but they definitely rang up $1. Inflation is real. And then I'll grab a Cheez-It Snap product. They are $3.16 in my store. You just want to make sure you're grabbing a 7.5 ounce bag from what I saw the rebate had asked. And then you can grab your choice of lunch meat or cheese. I'm going to go for some Sargento Creamery Baby Swiss cheese. This is the sliced cheese. It is $3.38, and I'm pairing this in with it because we have additional rebates for this cheese that would make this deal superb. So with all 3 products, we are at $7.54 I will pay at the register today. Before I get ahead of myself though, with the Cheez-It Snapped rebate, you want to make sure you are a Kellogg's Rewards member. So I have that link down in my description box. It's completely free to sign up. You cannot participate in the rebate unless you sign up with the Kellogg's Rewards site, and then you'll get your $5 reimbursement. So also it is a limit of 2 per household, I do believe, and it's valid through October 31st. So getting the $5 rebate back. I also have an Ibotta offer for 10 cents back on any chip that is attaching to the snapped Cheez-Its. 25 cents back for hitting my Sargento bonus. This is my second time purchasing a Sargento product, and 75 cents back for buying that creamery sliced cheese. And then I did a Brandclub survey for $2 back when I purchased my next Sargento product, making everything hopefully free and a 56-cent moneymaker. I will keep y'all updated about the $5 reimbursement. I do believe it comes through PayPal, but I will keep you guys updated either in the community tab or on a pinned comment underneath this video. I was looking to do the Old Spice bundle again this week through Shopkicks on the travel size deodorant and body wash because it ends up being about a $2 moneymaker. However, my store does not have any of either at all. So if you want to see that bundle deal I did, you can definitely check out my video last week because it is still valid on Shopkicks as of today, Friday, when I am filming this. I'm going to grab 2 of these Poise micro liners, the 50 count. They are $5.62 in my store, so 2 of them would total me $11.24. Definitely make sure you're scanning the Ibotta app to make sure that the rebate is attaching to this because they are very picky about the size, and make sure the coupon, the 5 off 2 coupon I'm using here, also meets the size requirements. This comes from the 6.5 Smart Source. It does expire tomorrow on Saturday the 25th, so keep that in mind. I'll pay $6.24 at the register after that coupon. I'll submit to Shopkicks between scan and purchase kicks, 365 kicks. That is $1.46, and submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each of them, making it 78 cents for both. I think that's a very good deal. My last deal of the day is going to be on the Dove Ultimate Women's Deodorant, priced at $9.98. We did get $3 coupons in our June Unilever insert. Again, I get my inserts early. They come out on this Sunday, the 26th, but go ahead and use one of those if you get your inserts early as well. Would lead me to pay $6.98 at the register, earning $5 back from Ibotta. Plus, I did a survey on Brandclub for my next Dove purchase, giving back $2.50, making it a 52-cent moneymaker. Super, super great deal for this expensive deodorant, but Dove deodorant is my all-time favorite. So that completes my Ibotta haul today. I have 9 offers, so I will do a pay with Ibotta when I get back to the car. Pay with Ibottas are now asking you meet a $20 minimum to purchase a Walmart gift card, which kind of stinks. But I will have $20 in my Ibotta account to just use my Ibotta earnings to purchase that, and that will give me my 10 offers to complete not only my Shooting Star bonus, but my Weekend Warrior. So I'm going to go check out. I prefer self-checkout per usual, and then we'll meet back in the car to discuss transaction details and final cost of this beautiful, beautiful haul. Okay, so we were out from Walmart and everything went super good today. I tried a new method where if I scan a product I have a coupon for, I'll scan that product and then the coupon. Scan the product, then the coupon. I was a little iffy because I was using Unilever coupons. A lot of systems don't let you or like to push through multiple Unilever coupons. I don't know why. But they all scanned fine, and even though they don't come out until Sunday, they still work beautifully. P&G coupon worked good. No beeps, so that is always a good day. And also I want to know if y'all Walmarts are like this, but my Walmart was not accepting cash at self-checkout, which I would prefer to pay with cash for that smaller Cheez-It transaction I did than using my debit card, but they weren't taking any cash today. This happens so often at our Walmart. I don't understand what the deal is with cash. Is there like I guess there's a cash shortage. Anywho, off topic. So we're gonna go ahead and go over receipts. So I will pop pictures here up on the screen. First one I did was the Cheez-It, the bread, and the cheese by itself. The bread actually rang up at $1 and not 93 cents. So yeah, that left my subtotal at $7.54. I went ahead and paid that, and then I'll submit to the Cheez-It Snapped rebate, and then submit to Ibotta for the cheese. And then the second receipt was everything else, but you can go ahead and deduct the donation off of it because I did round up to have an even number. And then I added a box of fudge rounds because my Walmart pickup order, they told me they had no fudge rounds and there was no substitution. I go in the store, I find my fudge rounds. So don't be hiding the fudge rounds from the pregnant woman. I'm just saying, I'll find them. So deduct those out of there. That would have come to $45.20. Subtotal was $49.68 though, with those included. So $45.20 would have been the subtotal. And like I said, all the coupons went through perfectly fine, and everything rang up perfectly fine as far as I can tell. No issues there. So the total of everything would have been $65.24 before all coupons, and that's deducting my little roundup and the fudge rounds. Out of pocket between both receipts was $52.74, just subtotal. And rewards back, we're submitting for the Cheez-It rebate for $5 back, and then we're also submitting the checkout 51 for $1.50 back on the Velveeta. For Brandclub, $6.75 I should receive back for Sargento, for Dove, and for the Velveeta. And then from Fetch Rewards, we got a total of $6.49 back for the Hellmann's and the Bouillon. So super happy with that. Additional points for Poise and all that good stuff. Shopkicks submitted for $1.46 for the Poise as well. And then I am pending $3.02 from Swagbucks. I think I uploaded a cruddy looking receipt. So it immediately did not pick up my toilet bowl cleaner or the Clorox spray. So I went ahead and submitted for review, and usually they're really good about getting back to you in 3 days. So pending $3.02. Well, I got the 2 cents for uploading any receipt, but pending $3, but I will get that back. Then in rebates alone from Ibotta, plus I did a pay with Ibotta because I only had 9 rebates in store. So to get my 10th rebate, I did a pay with Ibotta, which the minimum is now $20 to purchase a Walmart gift card. Kind of stinks. So I just used my PayPal balance, Ibotta balance to purchase a Walmart gift card. So I got 10 cents back for that. plus $16.10 in just the rebates alone today. Then I hit $8 in bonuses for my Ibotta, $1 for my Weekend Warrior, $7 for the Shooting Star. I did not get my Sargento bonus. I don't know what's up with that. Not a huge deal for me, but that was a little inconvenient. So that was a good chunk of money we got back today. So again, everything would have cost $65.24. We paid $52.74 after coupons. Got all that money back from about every single rebate app known to man. Makes the final cost for all 18 items $4.32 or 24 cents a piece. 24 cents for those big things of Downy. I am totally happy with. That was my goal. I'm bad about stocking up on scent boosters when deals come around at CVS and Walgreens, and I'm really into scent boosters, so might as well go ahead and splurge and get that big boy. Hopefully maybe they're a partner with Brandclub, so I will unlock a survey maybe, and that would make it even better for future purchases. But woo boy, I am so happy with this haul. $65 down to under $5. Can't beat that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a terrific weekend. Like I said, if you are new to any of those rebate apps, they are linked in my description box, as well as that Cheez-It Snapped rebate. I believe that rebate is valid until October 31st. So you have plenty of time to go ahead and submit that. I believe it's 2 per household maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong. I will have to read up on that a little bit more, but super fantastic rebate. All these rebates were pretty good today. So like I said, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel as always, and I will see you in my next one.